All right, today we're gonna do an indoor Canopy Light. This one's easy to install. You got to make sure you install the base first, and there's a couple screws that you got to worry about. That's pretty much it, right? Once you set it up, you're just gonna need to connect these three cables. You got your ground, which is the green one, your hot, and then your neutral, the white one. All right, so if you don't want to enter through there, there's always openings on the side. All right, this is plastic. You don't have to worry about glass. Has a nice radiator, keep it nice and cool throughout the night, throughout the day. So let's go ahead and clip it on and put it together. All right, the best way I found how to hang the light is simple. So you got the hanging part here, all right, and this is gonna latch. So pass your cables through, all right, pass your cables through, and then you can let this hang. You just drill in your stuff that you need to. So that's what we're gonna do. There's one right there. There's one. Two more. There's the other one. Turn off the power in here, so there's no power. I did a tester too. I always do a tester. Put it together. Lie to you guys, this thing is super bright. Look how bright it is. I'm not even gonna get too close. I don't want to lose to show you how powerful the light is. All right, it's lighting up the entire room here completely. So this LED light, super strong. It's very simple to install. If you guys seen it, how easy it was. It's flush on the top. It does get heat up, so make sure you have enough clearance for your cable. I'm gonna show you how dark it gets in here. All right, I'm gonna turn off everything so you guys can see off and on. All right, here's the light on. Completely darkness. All right, look how powerful it is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super bright light. Gives enough light anywhere you're gonna use. Very simple, easy to install. If you have a warehouse, this is gonna light up the entire room, the entire warehouse. 3 or 4 of these could cover a couple square foot. All right, so very powerful, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.